3 years ng hirap? I got a question from the comment section. Totoo po ba yung kasabihan na ang pagnenegosyo sa loob ng 3 to 4 years ay pagdadaanan ang lahat ng masalimuot na problema bago maging okay na ang lahat? You know what, anak? Totoo yan. But let me explain why. Starting a business is like planting a tree. In the first few years, you don't see much growth on top. Parang walang nangyayari. Pero underground, yung mga roots, tumutubo yon, deep and strong. The first 3 to 4 years of business is what I call the learning period. This is when you will face all kinds of problems, cash flow issues, employee problems, difficult customers, supplier delays, wrong decisions. Parang lahat ng pwedeng maging problema, darating na talaga. Pero ito yung katotohanan. Itong mga problema na to are not meant to be there to destroy you. They are there to teach you and to strengthen your roots. Tulad nung kwento ni Nika. Nika started a small restaurant 3 years ago. First year, sobrang hirap. She ran out of cash. Her cook nag-resign and she almost closed down. Pangalawang taon, naku, mas marami ng problema. Yung kanyang supplier nag-overcharge. Tapos yung kanyang staff nagnakaw. And she lost her big customers. But because of all of these, she wanted to quit many times. Diba, nakakapagod? Pero on the third year, something changed. She learned how to manage cash better. She knew how to hire the right people. And she built systems to prevent yung mga pagnanakaw. She understood her customers deeply by that time. Kaya ngayon, sa kanyang pang-apat na taon, nako, her business is growing smoothly. Not because there are no problems anymore, but because she already knows how to solve the problems quickly. Just like a tree, after years of deep root growth, it finally grows tall and bears fruit. Kaya ang lesson, anak, the first 3 to 4 years are not about suffering. They're about building strong roots where you will experience a lot of growing pains. Pero every problem you face is making your business foundation stronger. Kaya huwag matakot sa mga difficult years na yon. Embrace them, learn from them, and you will come out stronger. Ganyan, always be business-minded, Pinoy.